In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite additional attendees to a Microsoft Outlook meeting. If you've already created a meeting in Outlook and later realize that someone else needs to join, don't worry. Outlook makes it easy to update the meeting and send the invitation to more people without having to create a brand new event. I'm going to walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along step by step. To begin, go to your Outlook inbox. This is the starting point because from here you can access your mail, calendar, and the rest of your Outlook tools in one place. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account before moving on. Once you're in your inbox, look to the left-hand vertical column of options and click on the calendar icon. This will switch you from your email view into your calendar where all your scheduled meetings and appointments are stored. Now find the meeting that you want to update and click on it. This opens the meeting preview so you can confirm that you've selected the right event. It's always a good idea to quickly double check the meeting title, date, and time here before making changes, especially if you have several similar events on your calendar. After that, click on Edit. This opens the full meeting details and allows you to make changes to the event, including adding new attendees. You should now be looking at the editable version of the meeting invitation. Next, click into the recipient field and type in the attendee you want to add. As you begin typing, Outlook will usually search your saved contacts or directory and suggest matching names or email addresses. This helps speed things up and reduces the chance of entering the wrong contact. When the person you want appears in the suggestions, click on their name. This adds them to the meeting invitation. If you need to add more than one person, you can repeat the same action for each additional attendee before sending the update. Finally, go to the top right of the window and click Send. This is the step that saves your changes and sends the updated invitation out. Once you do this, the newly added attendees will receive the meeting invite and the update will be reflected in the event. And that's it. That's how you invite additional attendees to a Microsoft Outlook meeting. It's a simple process, but knowing exactly where to click can save time and help you keep everyone informed.